best next thing, drifting. So,
not wrong.
About to go hit the parking lot, get some seat time in, knock the rust off. I haven't been drifting in probably a year and a half, or not, probably like 7 months, some shit like that. But go knock off the rust. Oh, and I'm going the wrong way. Come on, my dude. Could I get that and then the rest on 7, please?
That's 1 second. I got you.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Have a good one.
Dude, I'm gonna have to get out and record this time. Motion sickness is a bitch.
Dude's getting fucking dizzy or what?
Dude, I hate it. Like, if I drive myself, I'm good.
You about to start
I'm in somebody else's car, I'm like,
I'm dead. That's funny. Yeah, guys, we're out here. She's gripping up a little bit too much, more than I'd like. It just like bogs out when I go to hit the manjis. Oh. What's going on, guys? Had to pause the video right there. So trust me, I know the car looks like shit, but it's not going to be that way for long. Got a lot of big plans coming for it, and just stay tuned. Now let's get back to the video. Peace. pretty successful, but as you can tell, the car breaks up a lot. It definitely needs to be tuned. I have 1,000cc injectors and a bigger fuel pump I gotta throw in. It's starting to rain cats and dogs now, sheesh. But Andrew over here got a little motion sickness. Dude wasn't feeling. What's going on, guys? We're at the mall now. After a little drift sesh, we're about to cop some shoes, get some food.
Try not to puke.
Try not to puke. Dude's still dealing with his motion sickness on this rainy day. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next clip. Cop some shoes, about to cop some pretzels, you know the vibes. Little pretzel bite action. Any ends, baby.